How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Nova Rally. Super nice car. Original panel car. Was restored several years back. Had repainted its original color, Cranberry Red, with the white top. Very, very nice car. Previous owner did add the SS louvers to the hood for the cool look, and chin spoiler, but the grille and the headlight bezels, all that's the original. Front bumper appears it was re-chromed. Car's real nice and straight down the sides. Nice set of vintage torque thrust wheels on it. The BFG's just a really nice car. Vinyl top's all been replaced. All the glass is really nice condition. All the taillight lenses and bezels are all look like they've either been replaced or in excellent condition for original. Rear bumper also excellent condition. Just a cool car. It is a numbers match car. It's got dual sport mirrors. It's a 350. They did do aluminum intake. It's got sniper fuel injection, vintage AC and heat, power steering. They updated the brakes to a wheel wood master and drilled and slotted rotors and calipers. It's got a nice set of headers and dual flow masters. Got 350 turbo trans. All the jams look good. The door panels are the originals, I believe, in excellent condition, as well as the dash. It's got the rear in-dash tack and the center console with the gauges. Headliners, excellent condition, nice and tight. Seat covers, they've been reupholstered front and rear. It's got the deluxe seat covers instead of the standards. All inside the trunk's real nice. Got the original jack, got spare, nice car cover comes with it. The previous owners owned it for many, many, many years. Got Alpine stereo system in it with CD player and everything. You see the factory gauges, all the gauges, everything works. They did a nice little aftermarket center console there with armrests and cup holders. See the AC vents nicely done under the dash. Just a super nice car. Get in this car, drive it anywhere you want to go, turn your air on. Fuel injection fires right up. Side marker lights, they all work like they should. Just a cool car. That's flow masters with duals. Backup lights, everything works. That's just a cool car right there. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com and visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. It's got perfect stance. Have a great day, folks.